Hello 10th class. Now we are going to study about the next system, which is transportation. In transportation we are going to study about the system heart, circulatory system, which involves heart, blood vessels and blood. In this we are going to study about heart. What does a heart, what is a heart? Heart is a muscular organ which is equal to the our fist. Our shape of the heart is equals to our fist. What the work of the heart? Heart mainly does the working of the convert oxygenated blood into deoxygenated blood into the oxygenated blood. And the other thing what heart does, it prevents the mixing of carbon dioxide and the oxygen in the blood. For this, heart consists of 4 chambers. This is the diagram of the heart, and these are the 4 chambers. This is the left part of the heart, and this is the right part of the heart. In the left part of the heart, mainly the pure blood, the oxygenated blood is collected here and transported towards the body. And this is the deoxygenated blood part. Right part consists of deoxygenated blood. It brings deoxygenated blood from whole body parts towards the heart, then transfer it towards the lungs, and the lungs take remove carbon dioxide from that blood and give it back to the heart through from which side? From this aorta. This is connected with the lungs, and from this aorta the pure blood come again to the heart, and then the heart from left ventricle and from the left atrium, this oxygenated blood is then transferred towards our whole body. And this we are going to study about that heart is mainly 4 chamber. This is the pulmonary artery and this is the pulmonary veins. Left atrium and the left atrium, this consists of the pure oxygenated blood. And this is the vena cava which is connected to the upper body, that is right atrium. This is right ventricles and the spectrum. What does the spectrum do? Spectrum mainly divides these 2 chambers so that the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood could not get mixed with each other. So this is the spectrum. This is the wall which divides these chambers into 2 parts. This is the vena cava from the lower body. Here's the with the help of this, the whole deoxygenated blood from the body comes towards the heart. So this is the function of the heart. What is it? Left atrium and the left atrium and the left ventricles are the thin walled chamber which consist ये जो chambers होते हैं thin walled के होते हैं, and which helps the transfer of the body. When the heart get relaxed, when the blood from lungs moves towards the left and the left atrium and the left atrium, the heart get relaxed. In the relaxing process of this, then blood is transferred towards the body. In the left atrium and the left ventricle, the heart get contract to each other. It get compressed, so that the blood from the outer body comes towards the deoxygenated blood come here, and then they purify it with the help of the oxygen. In this there is a valve is also present here. This valve, what does this valve do? Valve ensures mainly that the blood should flow only in the one direction. It do not come back, it does not get backwards with the help of when the atria and the ventricle contracts. When the atria, the articles and the ventricles, or the left atrium and the right ventricles, when they are getting contract towards each other, then the valves has ensured that the blood should not move backwards from the heart when it is expanding, so that the blood move only in the one direction. After this diagram of the heart, we are going to study about the blood circulation system. Blood circulation system, mainly human, consists of a double circulation system. Now you are going to ask, ma'am, what is a double circulation system? In double circulation system, when the blood purifies our blood, this is the system. Here's the when deoxygenated blood is when vena cava collect all the deoxygenated blood from the body with the help of veins. Then this deoxygenated blood is transferred from heart to the lungs. Then the lungs takes carbon dioxide from that blood and transfer that blood again towards the heart. So with this process, the blood is moved from the hearts by 2 times blood transfer from this position. Then first deoxygenated blood transfer to the heart, then it is passed towards the lungs, then lungs take carbon dioxide from it, then it again transfer it to the hearts with the help of aorta, and then this pure blood is oxygenated blood is transferred towards the body. So this is the double circulation system in which blood passes 2 times from the heart. like this only the other animals, like the what does make why does this heart is developed by left side and the why heart is divided into left side and the right side. Heart is divided into left side and the right side because so that the mixing of blood do not take place. Oxygenated blood do not get mixed with the deoxygenated blood. To avoid this situation, the heart is divided into 4 chambers and the left side and the right side. In many animals like the amphibians and many reptiles, only 3 chambered heart is present. As humans and some animals have 4 chambered, but amphibians and the reptiles have only 3 chambered hearts, and they have different tolerance. Mixing of deoxygenated and the oxygenated blood should be removed from many streams. Other than fishes, as we talk about the fishes. Fishes have only 2 chambered heart. This two chamber heart in fishes, the gills helps in the pumping of the blood, and the gills transferred oxygenated blood to the body. Other than this, the fish in which only one type of one circle is completed from the one side to the other side. But in humans, invertebrates or other animals, heart is transferred twice in the one cycle of the heart. This is that why it is known as a double circulation system. First it take deoxygenated blood towards lung, then lungs purify that blood, then it move to that it sended blood towards again to the heart. So that is why double circulation is there in the human system. After this double circulation, we are going to study about our next